Yo, what's up guys? Andy from Tab Lab here, back with another buying $1 of Bitcoin everyday update. Today is day number 805. Okay, so here we are on Cash App. This is the app that I use to invest in Bitcoin every day. If you aren't familiar with Cash App, definitely check out the other videos on the channel. There's hundreds of tutorials and experiments. You can also sign up with my link in the description and get $5 for free. Also down in the description is a link to BetFury where you can claim free Bitcoin every 20 minutes. So let's take a look at what's going on today. Bitcoin price currently $54,855. My USD balance is $4,738, down about 1.25% today, down about 8% over the past week, so it's been a little bit of a rough week, down about 7% on the month. You can see this chart for the most part consolidating, going sideways, and up 677% on the past year. So it looks like the all-time high was around 64,000, currently down about $9,000 from that. But let's take a look at the news here. Coinbase went public. Executives sold a lot of their shares, which is normal. That's to be expected. The vice governor of China regards crypto assets as investment alternative. So I think that's good news. China taking crypto seriously. Bitcoin owned 0.08636,287. You can see my activity there, purchasing $1 every single day. Let's go ahead and buy today's Bitcoin. Tap the buy button, tap $1, tap next, scan my fingerprint. It's going to give us our order details, tap confirm. And just like that, we've purchased today's Bitcoin. Bitcoin owned 0.08638,055. Let's go ahead and do the math on this. $4,740, 4,740 divided by 805 days equals a 5.88x on my investment. So still doing well. I'm just going to keep buying $1 a day for as long as I'm alive and keep doing these update videos for you guys at least once a week. Drop a comment down below, let us know what you think. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.